High on the ridge between Mam Tor and Luse Hill sits Hollins Cross, a quiet saddle in the landscape today, but once a place of constant movement, trade, and death. Long before modern roads cut through the Peak District, this route formed part of what's known as a Coffin Road, a path used to carry the dead from the village of Edale to the parish church at Castleton. In medieval times, Edale had no consecrated burial ground of its own, so when someone died, their body had to be transported over this high, exposed ridge. Whatever the weather, wind, snow, rain, it didn't matter, the journey had to be made. At Hollins Cross, it's believed coffins would sometimes be rested, a natural pause point before the descent into Castleton. You can imagine the scene, a small group carrying their dead, stopping here among the hills, the silence broken only by the wind. But this route wasn't just for the dead. It was also a key crossing point for the living, especially mill workers from Castleton travelling towards Edale. Before the coming of railways and proper roads, these ridge paths were vital arteries linking isolated communities across the peaks. And these mill workers would travel over the ridge again come rain, shine or snow, and if the weather was too bad, they would sleep on the mill floor before returning the next day. The name Hollins Cross likely comes from Old English. Hollins refers to holly trees, which perhaps once grew here in greater numbers, and cross suggests a marker or meeting point, not necessarily a religious cross as we'd think of today, but a wayfinding landmark, a place where routes converged. So next time you stand at Hollins Cross, take a moment, because this isn't just a scenic viewpoint, it's a place shaped by centuries of footsteps, of workers, travellers, and those making one final journey across the hills.